Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so today we're diving into the world of espresso, comparing the Breville Barista Pro ASIN B0 BSVP 9K2N in black truffle.
With the Jura Z10 ASIN B 0C1HR4 RXD in diamond white. And, wow, that Jura has a serious price tag.
Yeah, S2, you're not kidding. The Jura is around $3,900, while the Breville is closer to $680 after the discount. So what exactly are you paying for with that extra $3,200? Well, the Breville is a semi-automatic machine. It has an integrated conical burr grinder with dose control, which is pretty standard for this type of machine. Plus, it has a manual steam wand for milk frothing.
The Jura, on the other hand, is a super-automatic. It also has an integrated grinder, but it's a product-recognizing grinder. Fancy name, nice, that automatically adjusts the grind fineness based on the drink you select. Oh, and it makes cold brew, which is a big selling point for some.
Cold brew from a machine like this? Interesting. The Breville focuses on speed and precision. They claim it goes from beans to espresso in under a minute, thanks to its thermojet heating system that heats up in just 3 seconds.
The Jura is all about the tech. It boasts a pulse extraction process, or PEP, and an 8th-generation brewing unit. Apparently, this optimizes the extraction time for different specialty coffees.
Right, extraction is key. The Breville uses digital temperature control, or PID, to keep the water temperature within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius for optimal espresso. It also has low-pressure pre-infusion to evenly saturate the grounds before extraction.
The Jura goes full-on futuristic. It has a touchscreen display, optional artificial intelligence, and Wi-Fi connectivity for their JOE app. You can customize, duplicate, rename, and reposition your favorite coffee drinks. It's like having a barista in your phone.
That's pretty slick. The Breville keeps it simpler with an LCD display showing the grinding and extraction progress. It gives you the info you need without being overwhelming.
The Jura offers 32 specialty coffee options, both hot and cold, all at the touch of a button. Think lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and even cold brew.
The Breville has a decent capacity with a half-a-pound bean hopper and a 67 ounces water tank. You won't be refilling it constantly.
The Jura is a bit of a beast, weighing in at 27 pounds. You're not moving it around easily. So it really comes down to what you value most: control and hands-on experience, or ultimate convenience and automation, and of course, how much you're willing to spend.
Exactly. The Breville is more for the home barista who enjoys the process of dialing in their espresso and perfecting their latte art with the manual steam wand.
With the Jura, it seems like almost everything is taken care of for you. You're paying for that convenience and the advanced technology.
So a semi-automatic versus a super-automatic espresso machine. The Breville lets you learn and experiment, while the Jura aims to deliver consistent, high-quality results with minimal effort.
Exactly. It's about finding the right balance between price, features, and your personal coffee-making style.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.